Okay, so here's problem number 13 from page 476. And it's an integration by parts problem. And I'm looking at this and I'm thinking t times cosecant squared t dt. And I'm going to say that u equals t and du equals what? dt. Everything else in the problem is dv. So dv is cosecant squared t dt. V will be the integral of cosecant squared t dt. And as I mentioned a few minutes ago, the derivative of cotangent t would be negative cosecant squared t. So the antiderivative of cosecant squared t is going to be negative cotangent t. So the formula for integration by parts is u times v minus the integral of v du. So I have u times v t times negative cotangent t minus the integral of negative cotangent t dt. Here's a warning. Put parentheses around negative cotangent t. If you do not put parentheses and you have that negative sign right there, then it's not multiplication, it's what? Subtraction. And that's a mistake I see a lot of on the test. People don't put those parentheses. Put parentheses around it. I'm going to take this negative sign and put it in front of the t, negative t times cotangent t, and maybe I might want to use parentheses here just to make it a little bit easier to read, plus the integral of cotangent t dt. Now last week we did the integral of tangent t. We did not find the integral of cotangent t. That is going to be a u substitution if we found that integral. For right now, does anybody know what this integral might be? The natural log of sine t? I think you're right. Yeah. I'm going to put that in here. This is not one that I remember off the top of my head, but I think you're right. I was thinking how it would compare to the integral of tangent t, and with what I'm thinking, that would make sense. So this would be plus the natural log of the absolute value of sine t, and then plus c.